In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove uploaded files on Slack step by step. This is useful if you've shared the wrong file, uploaded an outdated document, or simply want to clean up your workspace. Whether you're using Slack for work, Teams, or personal projects, knowing how to delete uploaded files properly can save storage and avoid confusion. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Slack on your desktop or web browser and navigate to the workspace where the file was uploaded. From there, go to the specific channel, direct message, or your personal space where the file exists. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the uploaded file you want to remove. You can also use Slack's search bar at the top to search for the file name if it's hard to find manually. Once you've found the file, hover your mouse over it so additional options appear. Next, look closely at the file preview. In the top right corner of the file, you'll see a More Actions button represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the File Options menu. This menu gives you several actions related to the file, including sharing, copying links, and deleting the file. From this list, select the option that says Delete File. After clicking Delete File, Slack will show you a confirmation prompt. This step is important because deleting a file is usually permanent and cannot be undone. In the confirmation window, click on Yes, delete this file. Once you confirm, Slack will immediately remove the uploaded file from the channel or conversation. It's important to note that while the file itself is deleted, the original message where the file was shared may still remain visible in the conversation. If you want everything completely removed, including the message text, you can also delete the entire message separately. Deleting the message will ensure that both the file and the message disappear entirely from the channel. And that's it. You've successfully removed an uploaded file on Slack in just a few clicks. This process works the same way across most Slack workspaces, as long as you have permission to delete the file. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and simple tech how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.